Hey guys, Ryan here. Sorry if I'm a little dirty. I just want to give you a quick update. Today we went out to mess with the feeders and discovered that while we were gone to Spintech down in Texas, we had a pretty bad storm here. We had about 4 or 5 days of solid rain, and the cattle got to our retrofitted corn feeder that we have set up, and we just attached the Spintech feeding mechanism to the bottom, and they had knocked it over and it landed and went underwater. And so for 3 or 4 days our entire feeder system was underwater. So pretty upset. Dumped all the corn out. You can see it there. It was all mashed pretty much at that point. Pulled the feeder mechanism off. It's all rusted, and kind of upset about it. We just put it on. Anyway, so took it all apart, cleaned up best I could. The display unit, the little controller unit, is completely shot, but I cut the wire that goes into the control unit, and I hooked the 12-volt spinner motor up to a battery, and it works perfectly. Check this out. You can see here, completely rusted. Been underwater for 4 or 5 days, completely submerged underwater, and then set out in the sun for 2 or 3, so it's all rusted up. There's our spinner mechanism with the spinner motor on it. I just hit it with some brake free, and we're going to hook it up here. Needless to say, I'm impressed. We've been talking about Spintech for a while now. This is one reason that we use it. This thing sat underwater for better part of a week, then pulled out and it dried in the sun before we could get down to it. The ground was so wet, and the motor still works. All I have to replace is the little digital timer system. Super cheap to do, super easy to do. So check out Spintech. I promise you it's good quality products. Take it from us.